Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AQMS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. Then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice day. A pretty crazy day to think that the price actually was down here, and then all of a sudden by the closing bell managed to get all the way back up there. So any rational person can say, yeah, the price definitely made a very strong move today. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, what is that? $3.10. Why is 3.10 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 3.10. Any sort of closes below there or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say if the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, progress, as $3.10. What about levels of resistance going into next week? Nothing complicated at all behind this other than the fact of, the party finally stopped today up there at about $3.60. So that'll be public enemy number one. In the shorter run, there does seem to be a little bit of price congestion right around that 347-ish mark. So keep an eye on that also. But yeah, from the overall point of view, it's all about 360 up there. But at the end of the day, very nice movement. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? Let's start to see if the price can make progress or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.